Hello students, welcome back. Hope you people have seen part 1. Now this is part 2 of the quadrilateral chapter. Here first we will start with the three facts about the quadrilateral. First one is whenever we are telling quadrilateral or when we are studying about quadrilateral, we mean convex quadrilateral because all these spatial quadrilaterals are convex quadrilateral. You know the meaning of convex and concave. Concave means if any one angle, interior angle will be more than 180, then we call it concave, which is not in general use. So that's why all the quadrilateral which we are studying, those are convex quadrilateral. And each diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. These two triangles can be same also, different also, that is different case. But one diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. Now, third fact is in a convex quadrilateral, both diagonals are inside the quadrilateral only. But in concave quadrilateral, one diagonal will be inside and one diagonal will be outside. You can see here clearly that the line which is joining the two opposite angles is one is outside and one is inside. Now we are going to the perimeter of a quadrilateral. Perimeter of a quadrilateral means what? Just we have to add all the edges. Okay, we have to add the boundaries, that is called perimeter of the quadrilateral. Whenever we have to find perimeter of any figure, just we have to add the edges. So here you can see ABCD is there. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DA will become the perimeter. Now you have to solve this question and tell me what will be the perimeter of this quadrilateral. You can write me in the comment section. Now we are going to see the new topic. Here you are seeing ABCD is a quadrilateral. Inside it, 2 points are there, S and R. So it is called interior of the quadrilateral. 2 points which is interior of the quadrilateral is S and R. The points which are outside the quadrilateral is T, P and Q. So these are called exterior of the quadrilateral. Those which are on the quadrilateral are called on the quadrilateral points are A, B, C, D and E. So 3 points we are learning here: interior, exterior and on. So one quadrilateral divides the plane into three parts. One is interior, one is exterior and the third one is on the quadrilateral. Next important topic in this chapter is types of quadrilateral. Here we will see different kinds of quadrilateral. First we are starting with trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides will be parallel. Only one side has to be parallel. Another side can be parallel and may not be parallel also. If suppose both are parallel, both pairs are parallel, then it will become a special trapeziums like rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram. These all are also trapezium as well as whatever they are like rectangle, square. So we can say rectangle is also a trapezium. Now in a trapezium you can see the parallel sides AB and CD. Okay, these are called bases, and those two sides like BC and AD, whether it is parallel or not, they are called legs. So AB and CD is base and AD and BC is leg. Median of trapezium means what? In AB and CD, if you will draw the midpoint, means if you will take the midpoint of AD and BC and if you will connect it, it is called median of trapezium. Okay, by connecting the midpoints of the non-parallel sides. Now here comes one formula. The length of the median will always be equal to half of the sum of the parallel side, means AB plus CD, and if you will divide it by 2, you will get the length of the median EF. Always remember, median will be always parallel to the bases of the trapezium. Okay, because median is a parallel line, so it will always be parallel to AB and CD. Altitude of a trapezium means what? If you will draw a perpendicular from the corner to the opposite side, opposite base, then it is called altitude. Altitude means height of the trapezium. How much height of the trapezium is? So we have to always draw 90-degree, means perpendicular to the base. One more property you have to keep in mind in trapezium is the sum of the interior angles. As we have studied in parallel lines, if you will draw two parallel line and one transversal line, the angle inside is means co-interior angle will be 180-degree. So here also it is acting like a transversal line. Here ML line is acting like a transversal line. So angle M plus angle L will be 180 degree. In the same way, NO is acting like a transversal line. So angle N plus angle O will be 180 degree. One more important point in trapezium is diagonals of a trapezium divides each other in equal proportion. That means what? AE by EC is equal to BE by ED. I am repeating one more time. AE by EC is equal to BE by ED. So now reverse of it. Can we say if the diagonals are dividing each other proportionally, means if they are equal, so it is a trapezium? Yes, it is. Whether it is rectangle, parallelogram, square, rhombus or any quadrilateral figure, if their diagonals are dividing each other proportionally, then it is a trapezium. One more important point in trapezium is if AB is parallel to CD and MN is also a line which is parallel to AB and CD, then AM by MD is equal to BN by NC. And how we call it? That any line parallel to the parallel sides of the trapezium divides the non-parallel sides proportionally. Now, in trapezium only, another name is called trapezoid, where one pair of side is parallel and another pair has to be non-parallel. Then only we can say it is a trapezoid. But in trapezium, there is no fixed case. One pair of side has to be parallel, another may or may not be parallel. Then we can say it is a trapezium. So, every trapezoid is trapezium as well because here one pair of side is parallel and another pair of side is non-parallel. So having non-parallel sides, it is trapezium too. But every trapezium, we can't say trapezoid, but every trapezoid is trapezium. Now this question is for you. You have to write in comment section whether rectangle is a trapezium or trapezoid. Can we say rectangle is a trapezoid as well? Next term is isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid means non-parallel sides has to be equal in length. You have studied about isosceles triangle where two sides are equal. In the same way, here two legs has to be equal. If two legs, two non-parallel sides are equal to each other, then we call it isosceles trapezoid or isosceles trapezium also. Because before only I said you that all the trapezoids are trapezium as well. In isosceles trapezium, we have some properties where AB and CD are parallel side and AD and BC are equal sides, is non-parallel sides and equal. So here angle A and angle D sum will be 180 degree. In the same way angle B plus angle C sum will be 180 degree. The reason behind this also you know, co-interior angles. Then base angles will be equal. What is base angle? Which is connected to base, like angle D and angle C will be equal to each other. In the same way angle B and angle A will also be equal to each other. And the length of the diagonal which is AC and BD will be equal. The length of the diagonal AC and BD will be equal to each other. So this is all about trapezium and trapezoid. In the next video we will see kite. If you have any doubt or you want to suggest anything, you can write in the comment section. Thank you.